Yes. What we are doing, trying to do here, first of all, please explain what we are trying to do. First of all, what we are trying to do here. First of all,
We
the main concept. Explain me what we are trying to do here.
From A and B, sir, if one of them is empty, is blank, then we are deleting that line item, sir.
That data is deleting, not that line item. That data nothing but list item we are deleting. If it is anyone is empty, so for that list item we are deleting here. Five is what we are trying to delete here, list item or something what we are trying to do.
if we have a lot of list items in a list, if we are unable to delete them manually, then we go for the is blank method, sir.
Yes, yes, that is the thing, but we are trying to delete list item. So if you
Yes.
delete Mexico, so how you can see entire module Mexico will gone. Then how you can see Mexico in different column. Once if you delete list item from one place, can you see from each and every place? It will gone for all modules, not only this module. Mexico and US you have selected. If I go to general list, open general list, Mexico and US will not appear. Go to general list, Navin. General list, where your general list is, why you are going there, where is your general list, Navin? Where your general list are there? Below the
Left,
versions, below the version you have general list,
left hand side,
Navin.
left hand side, left hand side.
Below the version you have general list. Why you are that much struggling to navigate this one? Open G2 country.
Yes, sir.
Grid, open grid view. Grid view. Grid view, where is your grid view?
Open, sir.
Yes, you can see here US and Mexico both are gone. You can't, if you can't see in general list, can you see wherever you have this list item US and Mexico throughout the module, throughout the model? Can you see that one?
No.
No.
In any model you can't see. So that is the major difference here. Is it clear? So you have selected entire Mexico, that is I think it gone. Now, whether it is first row or second row, whatever it, you are try to selecting here list item. So wherever it applicable, it will be gone. Nothing will happen here. So that is the thing. This is a, like by using the is blank or some creating some logic, we are trying to delete here by using the select delete list item using the selection process.
So one, Ashime, one thing is that directly we can do it.
Manually you can do by
Manually you can
selecting
do it.
manually. This is the
Directly manually
by creating the logic.
creating a formula, right? Okay. So
Yes.
if you have thousands of list item that can need to be deleted, then we have to use this is blank and select that list item. Then again we have to or so in that way we can select those with the boolean method and we can delete it.
Yes. So five, is there any difference between that and this? If you once create the logic, yes,
No,
five.
as the process is same.
Process is same, just creation of logic is different. That is manually. This is by formula. Yesterday I am trying to say this only, but I am partially I am getting. So we should. I said we should implement these things. So then only you can remember. So if you don't try these things again, you everyone forget. 100% I am saying. The thing is, we should practice each and every time.
As you say, in the line item B also, there are some other countries too also there, right? Canada, other countries also. Why we are unable to see them in the B? Everything got deleted.
You need to select that, then only you selected only Mexico. That is the reason you can can't see. If you try to select that, you will available that thing. Go to system 03, Navin. Go to
Yes, sir.
system already it is open.
Yes, sir.
Go to B column and select other countries. Here, no, here only. Correct. Go to grid view and select. Yes. Other countries you can select whatever the thing. All the things you can see. Only we have selected same thing there. That is the reason. Once if one thing is get delete, select whatever the thing you want. Select Brazil.
Okay.
So you can it can available. So if I delete Canada here, what happened? It could delete all the Canada from all all the like you can say across the line item, all these columns, all these cells. So that is the happen. So only that item total is get deleting. If you select randomly, then in that scenario it may be different. Is it clear, Faiz?
Okay, Ashish, I will practice this one, sir.
Asibhai, this while creating this AB, is it required to, like, if you want to delete one line item, one list item, actually one item, so we need to create two lines, or we can do it with one line item, like A or B.
So you can, if you create only one, then you should, if he is blank A, then you should apply this logic. There is no need R and other line item. If it is blank, then we should get true. Otherwise, you will not get anything.
Automatically we can get this what wherever it is there.
Automatically means you should create the logic. Is
Yeah, is blank a column,
yes,
then
you will
we
get
have
true.
a true. So
Yes,
wherever it is there,
the logic we should understand how you are getting true and false here. That logic we should understand.
So actually, Akshat Bhai's doubt is why we have taken A and B. Why not only A? What is the concept behind it? That's the doubt, Akshat Bhai.
Not his question. Only if we take one line item, what happened?
no, yeah, like, see, I was like thinking, like, if example, we want to delete Canada, so only just line item A, if you take and we get the boolean, then we can delete, right, from all the line items we can able to can delete Canada, right? So in that way I'm asking,
Canada,
can
if you
delete it.
want tick here, then it you should not get any detail here. Sorry, remove Brazil. Remove Brazil. Yes, nothing. Don't keep anything, and select something and second column. No, no,
Any other
not
thing,
second
sir?
cell. Second cell.
Okay.
Second cell.
Any other thing, sir?
Brazil.
What
Brazil.
will be?
Select Brazil. So
Okay.
Brazil or something, whatever it. So then copy across the down. Copy total till bottom by selecting here. Not like that. You can simply okay. You can see if you want to delete Canada, you should select logic like this. Canada is get ticked here in first in C column. Then if you run the action, Canada will get delete.
Mm.
So wherever you have only one thing, so at that time wherever you get true here in C column, if you run this action, so Canada list item will get delete here.
So if we have a multiple list items to delete, we have to create a multiple line items.
Yes.
Okay, that was I just wondering.
So anyway, try to like we are getting workspaces within 2 days. So everyone
Ashish,
connect with Alam and apply the things. So for with new laptops, whoever applied earlier and whoever know if like Durga is there, she doesn't apply. Abdul Hafiz doesn't apply so far. So these two guys you can apply with your laptops. Navin, you need to apply with new laptop, and Abdul Rahim, Faiz, Arshad Ahmad, you need to apply with the new laptops and new learning centers. So then we, within 2 days we'll get workspace. So
Sir, new laptop in sense how?
Some
new laptop,
other laptop we have to.
new
Okay.
laptop and new learning center also you need, Navin. New learning center.
From
Yeah.
the same thing it won't get,
No,
sir.
no, no. won't get, try to get like create new learning center and complete that even Anaplan way, and then you connect with Alam after creating new learning center with new email ID and everything, and with new laptop. So you can create your learning center with old laptop, but while applying, you should apply with the new laptop. So it will be helpful for you. Within 2 days we'll get. So once we get, everyone can practice our workspace, nothing will happen.
Okay,
So
sir.
each and every functionality you can check how it is working and everything. So practice these things, and so you will get a good idea. So anyway, I will open my workspace. Give me 1 minute. And what are the like everyone does
Okay,
note?
Ashwin,
Yes,
one conclusion, Ashwin.
yes.
So if we want to delete multiple list items, we need to create multiple line items, Ashwin. That's what Ashwin given as conclusion.
Multiple list items you want to delete means like like we should create the logic files. Okay, so this is only for from one list we are deleting list item, not different list we are discussing here. From
Here,
one
what we are
list,
doing,
what is this
here,
basically? We are deleting list item from one list.
Yes.
One
which
list,
list,
country
which
list
list
we are,
item you are
country list we are deleting the things files.
in the country list, which list item we are deleting, Ashwin?
Which list you have deleted so far? Which list item you have deleted? Why you are
Here
asking
we
me?
are,
You have deleted these things so far. Which list item you have deleted?
US and
here,
That's
now
it.
here we are,
US, whatever the list item you are selecting, that will get delete.
like Asibe, if it is like from the different list also, like
Different
here actually,
different list. Don't ask that question. Different list we should not do. We are discussing about only one list here. One list we are deleting the list item. Yes, what we are discussing, we are trying to delete only one, from one list only we can delete the things here. Is it clear? That is the reason from one list only we are creating the process and everything here. We are not doing anything. If you are selecting only one list country here, and you are discussing about other list item, how it happened, from country only we have selecting the things.
yeah. Now as Asibe, now we want to delete two list items, so we need to create two line items, right?
No, you don't want to like you should create the logic, and on the base of that, whenever it get empty, then only we can delete the two list items. So I will already you have deleted two list item at one time, US and Canada, US and something Mexico. Then why you are getting same doubt?
Yeah,
You
because we
don't
have
delete you don't delete like
because
US and Canada, Mexico first time.
yes, yes. No,
Then what is
actually,
your doubt?
doubt is like we created two A and B, na. So that's why I'm asking, is it required to create two line items, or is it okay to have one line item and we can delete multiple list items?
So if it is empty, 1 minute, open that. Where is Navin? This one is your model. within one module, one line item only, I can delete the things, how it is happening, how the things will delete. You can see within one line item also you can delete.
Maybe then why we created two line items like A and B? So that is
For
also
to I want to use R functionality, so that is the reason I have used R functionality. I want to use generally 2 3 line items will get, we need to get relationship between that one. That is the reason, to show the relationship I have created this one. These things by practicing only will get, only listening you will not get. I will delete this one simply. Already we are using some function here, that is the reason it is not get deleting. You should use whenever, if any formula want delete, any line item want delete, we should check whether we are referring somewhere or not. Abdurrahim, check like in this way, whenever any line item you want delete in real time, you can see whether we are using anywhere this line item or not. We need to check referenced by column. This is a major thing. So we are using this B line item in C, referenced by. So in module system 03 country, that is the reason we can't delete. If it is empty, then you can delete this one. These things you can delete. We are not using anywhere. So like this we can
Okay.
get one idea. So if I want delete this line item, what should I do? First of all, I should remove this formula B line item from here. Then I can delete the B line item. Yes, I deleted. You can see here. You want delete two list items. So you want delete Canada, you want delete, and you want delete another list item. You can see Brazil, you want delete. Two list item you want delete. So you can see whatever the thing you have here, Canada, Brazil, you should get here true. So simply I should create logic for the C line item, like is blank is there already. It is, I need to remove this one. You can see the thing what happening here, wherever the, you can see Canada is there, across the Canada you don't have empty here. In A column you should get true here. Wherever the Brazil is there, in this column if it is A is empty, then I am trying to delete this thing. So I am setting some logic here, and if I run the thing, Canada and Brazil will gone. So simple thing, whatever the across the UK is there, so if it is empty, it will, it will get delete UK as well. So whatever the thing it will empty, you can delete the thing. That's it. If all are get true, all the things will get delete. Is it clear how we why what the thing is, wherever you are across this list is there, so if it is empty, we are trying to get true here, and this boolean line item we have used delete list item using the selection process. So by running that action, all this list item will get delete. With only one line item also will get delete. Is it clear?
yeah.
So this is a way we should check across this list item which one is the empty.
Like one more thing, Asubhai, like here we have like 10 13 around list items where we can able to like remove this one and we get boolean as true and we can delete that one. And like in product it will be thousands of products will be there list item. So in that how we can do it?
Who told manually will do? Directly import from any file. If you import whichever the empty, you will get true here. Whichever
Acha.
it is filled up, you don't get any true here. That's it.
So from the file only we get true and false here.
Yes.
Then, automatically,
So
then
that's
only the running the function, running the run function, sorry,
we
action
need,
for action run, then it will get deleted automatically.
we need to import the data, and whatever the is empty you will get true here, and if you run the action, that list items will get delete. This is the procedure.
that's like data validation, right, Ashwin?
Yes, whenever we are importing the data, some columns are empty. Example, for that one we are setting this logic for data validation purpose. If any data is we didn't get proper way, for that one we are using this logic. It should be get delete. Already I have shown here, like we have one in data validation topic we have covered. There we can see. So there if data is wrong, then what happened, we got true there in that validation thing. So by running the action, it will get delete whatever the wrong data is there, so that list item is get deleted there.
That RCB, that the data, when we get into the data hub, from that we create a logic. Then after creating a logic, we need to run the we have to run, actually we have to run the action, right?
Yes,
Then
yes,
only it will get deleted.
get delete. Yes, here we have seen a data
So,
valid. Yes,
so even whenever there are blanks, by using the is blank, we are doing it by automatically. That's very clear as by now. But there are no blanks. Out of 1,000, if we want to delete 100 list items, then we need to go by manually as by. Out of 1,000, we need to delete 100. So we need to go and select each and every one, the 100 list items to be deleted. Or
we
for this,
whenever you
how we do
import,
in the second method?
whenever you import the data from excel file, you will get if some for 100 out of 1,000 100 cells will get empty, then in that situation what happened, 100 cells you will get true for deleting process. Whatever we have done so far, we have done manually just for practice purpose, but generally why we do manually, we import the data from excel file.
Hmm.
No, they won't be empty actually. All 1,000 cells will be filled with some data.
Yes, we'll pull from data and only 900 cells will get, and 100 cells will get empty. That will be get as a true. Then that data will get delete by running that action.
That's what actually. Out of 1,000, how do we pull only 900? How we can subtract those 100 list items which are to be deleted?
By
Here
you
by using
subtract, by already you have created this logic. I have imported data into this A line item. I create here logic. Wherever A is empty, I should get true here. Simply, I will get true wherever it is empty by importing this data into this A line item. That's it. If
So
I
if it is
import,
not, yeah, if from 1,000 example, Ashwin, like while importing the file, we do not have any blank. All the 1,000 are full with any of the names. In that case, how we can create the logic to delete some of the line
if
items?
if it is filled up with 100 cells, why it is wrong? Why it is wrong then? If then wrong only you will get empty. Why
So
you will
only
get wrong?
that is now it is not part of the now those products are not getting now they are manufacturing and we want to delete from the list.
exactly.
In that case, like how we can select those line items
You
and we
can
can
see here
list
what
items.
is here condition means, we are this is specifically like we are getting importing list item data here, which are the wrong list items are there. We are creating some logic, so if it is a wrong you will get empty here, so for that list item we are deleting. So that is the thing. So if you are we are not using any list items particularly, then what happened, so simply they will get like they create the one new file, so which are not using, which are like only out of 1,000 second time they are using only 900 list item. So then what we'll do, we import already we have 1,000 here, now we are importing 900 only, then 100 will get empty, or you will get same thing, which you should prepare the 900 file separately and you should import on same in this module only. Already you have previously 1000 and you import only 900, then will you get 900 empty or not? You should not keep same list here. You import second time only 900 list with excel file. In that scenario you will get 100 empty.
Like we already imported one file with 1000, and again we have to import 900.
900, then you will get
900.
100 empty.
100 empty in the 900 file. So that one
Yes,
we have to set the is blank. Then we have
logic.
to run the action.
Yes, you should run the action, that 100 will get delete.
Okay.
Is it
So
clear?
with
Whatever.
within Anaplan, we don't have any option. We need to do it with Anaplan के पहले ही अपन एक्सेल में कर लेना है वो
एक्सेल में कर
Anaplan में तो
लेके
कुछ
वो
भी नहीं कर
फाइल
सकते.
करते यहाँ इंपोर्ट करते एक्सेल में क्या होना है क्या है पूरा डेटा देते उनको, कौन सा लिस्ट आइटम होना है कौन सा नहीं होना है, नहीं दे तो हम कैसा कर सकते?
एक
कौन
और
सा?
एक चीज आती है भाई, ये 1000 जो पहले ऑलरेडी अपन दिए थे ना, तो वो 1000 जो लिस्ट आइटम्स है वो ऑलरेडी अनप्लान में है, और जो 900 दिए वो भी इंक्लूड हुआ। तो अब ये दोनों के बीच में अब वो लिस्ट में आइटम में अपने को डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हैं ना सिर्फ अपन कि कौन सा मतलब डुप्लीकेशन है बोल के, कैसा होता है?
हो
कुछ
जाता, डुप्लीकेट रहे तो नहीं होता, जो
हाँ हाँ,
डुप्लीकेट है वो नहीं होता।
अच्छा जो है, अच्छा ओके, इस तरह से।
वैसा अपने एम्प्टी आ जाता, उससे हम एक क्लिक कर सकते, रन करके एक्शन को डिलीट कर सकते। तो वो है जो मेजरली जो है लिस्ट आइटम डिलीट करने का सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस में क्या रहता, और डेटा इंपोर्ट करने टाइम पे उसका लिस्ट आइटम का कुछ भी गलत इंपोर्ट हो रहा तो उसका कोड वगैरह रॉन्ग है तो वो डिलीट कर देते। ये जो है सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस के थ्रू जो है ये करते। दिस इज़ द प्रोसीजर। सो वंस यू practice these things by your own workspace, like with different examples, you will get here 100%, so nothing will happen. But if you only watch these things and don't practice, nothing will happen. First, you are totally forgetting everything, so like whichever the important topics as well. So try to discuss daily with our candidates, that will be helpful for you. Otherwise simply you are forgetting, so don't make that mistake. So each and every time try to spend with some time with our candidates, and in mock interviews try to discuss all these things repeatedly. Then what happened, you will not forget. So that is the thing which you make help you to remember all the things. So you can see another thing. So Abdul Rahim, specially for you, you can see in real time what happened. They will ask you to search different models are like you have country list here. So country list is there. If I type here country list, so you can see here modules, saved views, list. So whenever whatever the item I want to search here, we should search on top left, model search. If you want list, you can click on list. Regarding country, how many lists are there? So regarding list subset, how many country related things are there? Regarding line items, how many country line items are there? You can see here related to it. You should click on module. If you click, first of all you should search anything, and you should individually you can check here module, saved views, list, and different thing whatever you want, so that you can easily open that thing. There is no need to search more and more. Is it clear how we need to search anything in model? Generally we have only 10 to 15 models here, and real time you have hundreds of models, and like more modules you have and more list you have. So in that scenario it will get help. You can see here only you have 2, but you have generally more. In real time you have 100 to 150 200 list we have. So in that scenario you can simply identify by searching here. Is it clear how you can search anything by using the model search? Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Abdul Rahim,
Okay.
are you there?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So this is the way we should check real time. They will ask your they will ask you to open your workspace and search something. In that scenario you should check this one, and you can see here in classic dashboard whatever the thing you have, you content You can see here in content you have modules and saved views and classic dashboard. Classic dashboard you can see here. So here Navin he doesn't create any classic dashboard. That is the reason he can't see anything in regarding classic dashboard. Also, if anything they want, we can search in content panel. So this is also another option. In level 1 example model, we have that one. They have created like some classic dashboards. So you can see margin calculation DB. So revenue and margin, price growth rate, country margin. So these are the very important things. If like classic dashboard whenever we use. So you can see this one. So these are the classic dashboard. We have created same things in new UX page, but old models they are using the classic dashboards. So again, if you want to close this one, you can close. So if any module we want to publish in any dashboard, simply you can publish. How we can publish any module in classic dashboard? Select this module and open this one, go to view and publish to dashboard. Which dashboard you want publish, you can publish. If you want create new dashboard, otherwise in old dashboard you want, you can see here margin calculation dashboard. I want to publish this module, revenue volume input. You can see the same thing in bottom. Whatever you have old one, you can see in top one. Just if you click on save and exit, you can do. If you keep move, you can move this one and simply you can save and exit. So this data will get saved here. So this way revenue volume input module I have published here, and actions also same thing you can publish and classic dashboard.
Ashok, this is the view for the end users or for the model builders? End users, right?
So new UX pages are classic dashboard, nothing but end users only use.
Okay.
Model builder anyway he can see each and everything. That is not a problem.
Okay.
So we can see if I want to publish any action, simply same thing, load countries is there, publish new dashboard or margin calculation, whatever you want, wherever you want publish, you can publish. So that action will, you can see here.
So it means Ashok, like this dashboard now it is to reflect in the UX like user experience, right? UX pages.
This is classic dashboard, not user experience. Classic dashboard we can see how we are uploading our modules in our new UX page. Same way we can do same thing in classic dashboards as well, by clicking on that module or by opening that one, by going clicking on view, you can publish that same module into classic dashboard. You can see if I click on save and exit, so my load countries action will get here in bottom, load countries. If I click this action, it will ask where is your file. So if you give file, so it will like what is this one country. So countries file is there. So simply if I select countries file, 11, you can see only 11 countries only there. If I run this one, what happened? Already I deleted some countries, I think. So you can see updated. So updated file, instead of 100 files, 100 countries, if 13 countries, if you upload in that file 10 countries, you can only upload in that list only 10 countries. So 3 countries will get delete, whatever you have done so far. Like that, if you want only few countries data only, you can see here. So this is a way new file we can upload by using the actions, by publishing here. Generally this action card we have in new UX page in real time, but in trial period we don't have this action card. That is the problem you couldn't understand generally. So this that is the reason we have in classic dashboard we have that option. We can upload that actions to this classic dashboard and we can check. So if in that file if you remove some countries, only you can watch the few countries. So that is the procedure how you can attach UX page to here. And if you want watch any module, source module, you can see open source module. If I click here, simply I will get source module here, revenue volume input module. So simply if I want search any line item, I have here volume or something. So if I have only here one line item, generally if you have more than one line item, you can search here by clicking here. You should search here line items. So what is the line item I have here? Only volume line item I have. Is it correct? You can say volume only. Other than volume you don't have any line item in this module. Only one line item you have. That you can see here by searching. By searching here you will get it. So they will ask to open these things, and they will check what is the module we have, how you are doing. So these are the things they will ask generally. Is it clear, Abdurrahim, how we need to search these things?
Yes, yes.
And one more thing, like whenever if you don't get any data generally, so if you are failing to get any data or something, in that scenario what will you do? Simply we need to check drill down, control F8 or right click. You can see right click, you click on that cell and click on drill down. So drill down is not available for the current selection. Why you don't have drill down means, so from where you are getting this data, if it is a blue text, nothing but just we are importing, you are not getting data from any modules and anything. That is the reason you don't have anything here. But if I go to another other modules, for example margin calculation module is there. Margin calculation module is there. If I revenue to 218, from where I am getting this value, if I drill down, I will get the data. Right click and click on drill down. From where I am getting data, you can see the formula here by using this drill down. You can see by keeping cursor here, you can drag and you can increase your size. This size you can see here. How I am getting this revenue? From revenue volume inputs module, I am getting revenue 02, revenue volume inputs, and price revenue 01, price book. So we are multiplying with these two things. So by that I am getting the data. So if I click again here, right click, and so I am if I try to do drill down here, what happened you can see. So drill down is not available for current selection. Why not getting drill down for this one? What can I see here? What test I can
It's
see
in
here?
blue. In blue. It's in blue now.
Blue color.
It is imported from.
Imported from the file. We are not getting data from any other modules to these modules. If you don't get blue color text, you could check other things, like how you can
Yeah.
check. So other, if you have other modules, for example, which are generally we are getting from one module to another module, with the intermediate of within one or two module here. But real time you will get data from the by rotating 3-4 modules or something. It will be very complex things will be there. In that scenario you need to drill down more than 5 to 6 times, so that you will get idea from where we are getting data, from where we are getting, again drill down. Finally you will get the solution from where we are getting. So this is there, for example. So if I try to drill down here, you can see from where I am getting this data, revenue line item. You can see, keep cursor here. You should exactly you should keep on that border. So you can see here this cursor. Generally if you keep cursor normal, this cursor you will get. But on what should you do? You should get like this cursor you should get. Then you can drag and drop, so you can see properly. So you can see here, this is the formula. From formula you are getting. So if from where I am getting this head count means, my formula is if system 09 version detail forecast, then if it is version I should get the details, forecast version, employee 02 module I should get sum of this employee details, system 08 employee details country, else I should get, if it is not forecast, I should get the data 01 module. We know very well this one. So we should check this is the forecast is true, nothing wrong. So you can see here, you can check each
Ashwin,
and
with the
every.
help of details, Ashwin,
Yes,
with the help of drill down, we are getting the details. That's it, right, Ashwin?
yes, from where we are getting details and which one is the wrong. So these things we can, you can see here, you are getting this text from Excel file. So you can blue color text you can see. So if it is, you can see here whatever the calculated value is there, employee 0 to employees module is there. So from here you can understand. So from where we are getting data and how we are getting data, you can understand. So this is a January 2019. That is the reason I got detail from the here. You can see from which month I am searching, January 2019. From January 2019 data, from where I am getting this data 01 module. Is it correct? Data 01 module I am getting. So that from that is also uploaded data from the UX blue color text. You can see here. This one is getting from the data 01 module. Why data 01 means? So this is, that is the January 2019, nothing but this is the actual period. So actual, if it is the actual period, then I should get data from data 01, means nothing but actual period, nothing but 2019 data. If it is 2020 and 20 data, then you will get data from the employee modules. If it is drill down this one, you will get from where I am getting data, you can see here. So this is, if it is forecast, then you can see here for where I am getting the data. So you can see here 0 you have. So that 9, from where I am getting the data for that 9. So we should get data from the employee 0 to module only. So January 2020. So how you are getting data, you need to do again drill down here. So this is perfect and this is 0. Then you should check the data here. Again drill down here. You can see here. So if, what is the other thing you have here? So you can see here January 2020. So if it is employed, you can see this is the true. So that is the reason we are getting data from the employee details for January 2020. If you want again drill down, you can drill down. You will get more details till where you are get answer. You can check each and everything, drill down, drill down, drill down. So you will get final answer. When it is if it is not available drill down, it will shows it doesn't available the drill down. Like this, you can see so many times it is we could able to do drill down here. So you can see what is the like you can say employee when he started and everything, you can see very deeply you are going. So like this we can check how data is, from where we are getting the data, from where we are getting data, what is the history of the data, everything we can see by doing the drill down. So drill down unavailable for the cell, no other data cells are referenced to this calculation. So this is the final one. That is the reason till this one we should do the drill down. Is it clear how we can get to know from where you are getting the data? Yes. From where we are getting the data, how could we understand?
using drill down.
By doing drill down we can get to know so from where I am getting the data. So this is the thing we should check whenever if you don't get any data or something, so where we are doing mistake and what are the things we are doing mistake. Each and every formula we need to understand, and we need to where we are doing mistake and how we are doing mistake, we can get to know if you do the drill down. So this is a solution, like whenever if you don't get any data or something, if you want to know from where the data is getting, if you want check all these things, we should do drill down till drill down is not available for that cell. So is it clear how we are doing this one drill down?
Yes.
So this is the way. Try to like Abdur Rahim, did you observe how we need to drill down till the end? From where we are getting data, what are the modules involving? Yes? Are you there?
Yes, Ashwin.
Abdur Rahim, I am asking Abdur Rahim. Are you there, Abdur Rahim? Yes? Is there or not there? I am not getting. Abdur Rahim, are you available?
You're on mute if you are talking, Abdurrahim.
Is not speaking anything. I am explaining for your purpose only, Abdur Rahim. In real time we face these challenges. Prince, are you able to understand how we are doing drill down here? Are you doing same thing in your project? Yes, Prince, are you there? So this demotivate me here. I am explaining for some purpose and
Ashish bhai, am I audible?
yes, now I can hear you, Prince.
Okay. Yes, right. We use same drill down.
Yes. So I am explaining for you, Abdur Rahim. Especially you got place and you need to know all these things, and you are not giving response means then I will think why I need to explain these things. So we should not like that. Or whenever I am asking some question, try to give answer. So otherwise, so I am putting this much effort, and if I not get result from you, not get response from you, what should I think? Why should I explain? Simply I will get in my mind, but I never do like that. But sometime what happened, I told so many times, if I want to explain 10 things, if you give response, I will explain 20 things. And if you don't give response, then what happened, instead of 10, only 5 points only get from my mind, other 5 points I will forget. That is the thing. On the base of audience interest only, whoever the speaker is there, so they will explain, not for this subject, for any subject. So try to give some response that will be helpful for you. So anyway, is not speaking still. So like Abdul Hafiz, did you complete your workspace application?
No, sir. He told we will do after completing the class, sir.
Why completing the class? He is not available in class, Alam. What is the problem with him to apply within 5 minutes?
No, he told that it will take time, sir. So he told we will do afterwards.
Okay, after completing this class, immediately connect with Alam.
And also, Asibe, I've also done this Anaplan way in the new system.
Okay, then connect with Alam once, and he will help you.
Sure. Okay.
Immediately after completing this class, immediately complete this process. Why means, so after some days they will not give Anaplan workspace again. So that is a problem within today itself. Everyone should complete this process. Durga, you also complete this process, and Suresh, you also complete this process. Faiz, everyone should complete all. We should complete all this process today itself. Otherwise, what they are doing, so many users are applying for workspace. They are not getting any workspace because of that one. So that is the reason I am asking everyone to complete today itself. We couldn't get later workspaces. So anyway, like so what I am explaining regarding drill down, I am explaining like how we can do drill down. And if you are there in generalist, you can search here as well. We have the, you can search regarding generalist or module, wherever whatever the tab you select, you can select search here. In our module you have only few modules and lists, there is no need to search. But in real time you have so many modules. In that situation we should search here to by selecting the modules or general list. But best practice is the going model and select this something, country or region something. So by selecting this one you can select modules, general list. So all things you can see here. You can search by selecting one thing. You can search whether it is available in modules or saved views or list properties or wherever we have. So otherwise if you select here modules, you can get only modules here. If I search here, if I want to check that whether I have available that thing in general list, then I should go general list and I should search again. So this is a disadvantage. Only at a time one tab we can check. But model search, what can we do? By searching anything you can search all the things at a time. This is the advantage we have. So these are the different advantages we need to check. And we can search in this way. And we have other things like how we can check the different modes of the model. You can see generally we keep standard mode for our development purpose whenever we send our model into production model. So in that scenario we keep deployed mode. And whenever our model don't want touch anyone, so in that scenario we should keep locked mode. And whenever if you have space issue, so if you want space, that model is we are not using. So in that scenario we can archive the model and you will get space. It doesn't occupy any space if model is in archived mode. Whenever if you want, again you can bring back so that we don't lose any data. So these are the different modes we have. And why we keep deployed mode, and what are the things we make changes in standard mode and deployed mode. So Faiz, can you explain what is the difference between the standard mode and deployed mode? Why we keep model in standard mode and deployed mode?
If we keep the model in the deployed mode, structural changes can't be possible Ashibai, for workspace administrator and the end users. But if we keep the model in the standard mode, we can do the structural changes in the standard mode.
Okay.
And two more modes is like archived mode and locked mode. If we keep the locked mode, then no one will be available to see any details in the model. But in the archived mode, it will be there, but it won't be occupying any space in the workspace.